I'm here to make another video for you guys, showing you guys how to remove the Acura TL grill. This right here pops out here. This pops out. This one unscrews from behind the bumper, and the emblem unscrews from behind the bumper. So right now the bumper is off. I'm gonna make another video for just the bumper itself, but right now I'm just gonna show you guys how to take out the grill from the back. I'm gonna show you the back of the bumper, where everything sits. So this pops out, but I'm not gonna show you how to do that right exact now. I'm gonna start on taking this apart, and then we'll go from there. So right now this is behind the bumper where the grill sits, where everything is bolted on. So that middle part is bolted on here. There's one screw here, one screw here, one screw here, and one screw here. After I take out those 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, it should come out. So right now I'm gonna take out the screws, 4 screws, and catch back the video. So right now, show that I took out one screw here, one screw here, the other screw here, the screw here, and there's another screw right here too that I gotta take out. Alright, so I have the 5 screws here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 screws for the grill. So now I'm gonna go around the front and take the front of the grill off. Now the front of the grill comes off. This is here. This is the front of the grill. This is what it looks like behind the grill. It's just this trim left here. So I started popping it off. What I did was use a pry tool, plastic pry tool. Started popping it off from the top here. Then went to the side here, popped it off. So now I'm gonna go around here, popping it out piece by piece. Let's go around, see? Let's go down, pop it out piece by piece. Alright, got that part popped out. So just go to the top here. Sometimes it gives you a little fight. So I'm gonna, pry this side up a little, and then catch back. I kept prying it around here to go around to pop off the grill, and then to get from here on the corner here to just pop it off. So now the whole grill is off. So this is the bottom half. You can either take them off and wrap it, or you can spray it with plastic dip or paint. And then that's the middle grill. I'm gonna show you how to take out the middle emblem. So now I'm gonna show you guys how easy it is to just put it back on. Just slide it in. And it snaps in. That's it. So that emblem, so that grill bottom part shows you how to pop it out. And just put it back in. So now we're gonna move on to the grill here. Basically how to take out the emblem. There's gonna be a couple of screws here in the back to take out. 1 and 2. There's supposed to be 3, but I guess somebody took out the last screw and never put it back. But there's 1 and 2 screws, and then the emblem should drop out the front. Right now. So I'll take out these 2 screws, and then I'll catch back the video for you guys. So took out the screws already. The 2 screws that was there, there's supposed to be a 3rd one here, but whoever it was never took it out. Well, they took it out, never put it back in. So now I'm gonna show you guys. I'm going to just should pop right out now. And that's it. And it just pops right out. That's it. This just slides right on. This is the grill in pieces. Everything out. Sorry, I'm gonna put everything back in reverse order, and just wanted to show you guys how to disassemble, take apart the Acura TL front grill. Okay, so I'm gonna catch back the video once I put everything back, and so I put everything back. I put all the screws back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The other 2 screws that hold the emblem in, and the black internal piece is already in. And here's the grill, reassembled, everything back together, good to go. Just want to make a quick video for you guys since I have bumper off. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.